Another llama. We got two there. There's two others in front. Hello there.
Hi.
Wow, look at that. Hindi. Hindi ba alpaca yan? Oo, alpaca. So there's one there, it's about three. There's one in the bottom. Oh, meron dun eh. Sa baba. Okay, the hide, those are very expensive. So this is still part of the trail that we walk, Bartley Ranch and Anderson Park Trail. And as I've said, it's about three minutes away from our house. By car, of course. You know, so it's 12 noon. Okay. So, and those are our friendly cows earlier, and eventually they'll be moved back to California. Oh wow! There's a lake. The house is a lake. No, that's not man-made. Huh? It's not man-made kasi may flow, water na nagpo-flow. So may pinanggagalingan yan. Tapos nag-recycle. Fountain. Hindi, yung fountain galing din dyan sa tubig dyan. Wow. It's a big house, folks. Oh, this is the symbol of quiet peace and serenity, and it's only like 15 minutes away from downtown Reno. Would you believe, folks? Okay. And that's Mount Rose Mountain there, going to Lake Tahoe. And again, that's Windy Hill, where you see all those cars. And we had a big fire here, so it destroyed most of the vegetation where we used to walk. Okay, over and out.